how the batteries can be uses and how the batteries are classified and the types. Now I am giving just the introductions to batteries and what are the types of batteries we are using. So battery is nothing but it is a storage device, that is an electrochemical device which is connected in a series to give the electrochemical, which stores the chemical energy and it releases the electrical energy. A device which is nothing but the electrochemical cell which is connected in a series to form the store the chemical energies and it is converted into an electrical energy which produces the current. So this is the process for using a battery. So the battery is nothing but which is connected by using this several electrochemical cells and connected in a series to form the current and it is converted as energy. So the basic process, and the battery which is consists of an anode, cathode and electrolytes. The anode which carries is negative charges and the cathode which carries the positive charges, and both the reactions can be occur during the process by an electrolytes. The pre-process which is the main uses for this batteries, and the cell which has the next type the batteries which is considered as a cell. The cell which has only a one anode and one cathode which is joined with this electrolyte and it produces the voltages of 1.5 volt. Example, we are using in this remote cell, that is a dry cell which consists of only one anode and one cathode and the center with this filled with this starch with even O2 structures. And the battery is next type the battery which consists of a several anode and the several cathodes connected in a series to form the voltages and current. So this is the basics of introductions to batteries, how the battery can be running and it can be classified as. And next is the what is the requirements of batteries. Whenever we having this battery, what are the requirements to use the batteries? And it should be in light and compact and it is very easy to transport and it should be a not reusable, it should be a reusable batteries. So these are the basic requirements how the batteries can be uses. And the batteries can be classified into three types. One is the primary battery and the other one is the secondary battery and third one is the fuel batteries. So the primary battery is nothing but both the anode and the cathode reactions can be reversed by passing an external electric circuit current through this cell, and it is when one wins the battery is used and it can be the energy is down and it can be exhausted. So this is the primary battery and it is a non-rechargeable battery. For that the example is a dry cell or mercury cell, which it is an improved form of the dry cell. It is the primary batteries. And the second one is a secondary battery. It is same also. It is a battery, the anode, cathode and the electrolyte reactions are passing through this current and it produces an external circuit by passing a charge, and it is a rechargeable battery. When the reactions follows the chemical energy is transfers the energy to an electrical energy and it is the battery runs and it can be charges gets down, it can be recharged by using this secondary batteries by using this terminals. And this example of the secondary battery is nothing but the lead acid battery or nickel cadmium batteries. Lead acid battery which has connected in a series with the lead and anode or cathodes, which is connected several anodes and several cathodes to form this secondary batteries. And the most of the industries or automobile in the automobile parts are filled with this secondary batteries of the. There are so many varieties in secondary batteries, and the modern batteries which is also in the zinc batteries and the lithium ion batteries which is also same as the functions. And the third one is a tertiary fuel cell. The third is a fuel cell, that is a fuel cell which produce both the reactant product and electrolyte are continuously passing through the cell to produces the energy. It forms a current, and it is an example for H2O2 fuel cell, that is a hydrogen oxide fuel cell productions under this. How the hydrogen can be produced from this method and how the hydrogen can be stored for using this battery. It is also used in the submarine industries. So these are the introductions to batteries and the